let me show you guys how I slayed these two different styles on this one beautiful wig. So I got this wig from Wigginshair. This is their 28-inch body wave HD lace frontal wig in 200% density. And this wig did come like pre-made and pre-customized, and the curls were really beautiful. It looked really great. Like the customization is even really good, but I just don't like how the knots are bleached. Like they're not bleached to my liking. So I do want to go back in and bleach the knots, which means that I won't get to, enjoy these beautiful curls that they came with. But of course the package also comes with some goodies, and I'm literally jumping right in to coloring the wig. Actually, I want to color the wig. I want to do a jet black, and you guys already know how I do my jet black color. Spraying the lace with ebony spray and then drying it with my blow dryer, and that's how I get the lace to not turn like black. And I'm just mixing the dye right now. I use this Cream of Nature dye, and I didn't even film me doing it. Completely forgot to film the process of me actually dyeing it, but I literally just watercolored it. And now I'm bleaching the knots, and I'm using my BW2 powder, of course, and my Clairol developer as well, 40 volume developer. Making my paste, you already know, I like a nice thick consistency, especially with these knots because they're already like spaced out. So I need like a thick consistency so that they don't bleed through. And I love the way my knots always bleach whenever I have like dyed the hair black, because they bleach the perfect brown shade, and you guys are gonna see that later on. Now I'm just washing out that bleach and then shampooing and conditioning my wig as normal. And now I'm gonna get into customizing my wig, and this is like the most important part. I drew a line to mark the middle of the wig, and then I'm putting my wig on my dome head, and I go right into hot combing the hair back. I love doing this, hot combing all the hair going back, just so I can clearly see the hairline and see exactly what I want to do, where I want to pluck, all that good stuff. And I didn't really do much plucking on this wig, but I do the same thing I always do, which is pluck the sides first, and I'll go back and forth from each side, either side, and make sure that those sides are looking the same. And I always like take off the first like few rows of hair, because those rows are already like super plucked, and then I go into the front and I pluck the front. So I'll only pluck like the back rows, the rows that are really thick. And you can see that it has a better like ombre now, and everything is just flowing and looking very natural. And I'm still gonna go in and pluck it a little more, but now I'm just gonna pluck my middle part. Again, I like to be very detailed with this part. Make sure that this part is laying flat, because it just makes the world of a difference. I'm covering the tracks with like a line of hair, maybe like a 1/4 of an inch of hair. Going in with my wax stick to really get all that hair laying flat and just going the direction that I want it to, and just perfecting my middle part. And just like the customization, this part is like always so important, and just it's gonna make or break your install. It's better to just do everything you can off your head, as much as you can off of your head. I'm perfecting my middle part. I wanted to add some curls, so I went ahead and did that, and I just used my T3 curler. I believe this is the 1/4 inch or something. I don't really know. I honestly don't know, but yeah. Now we're getting into the install, and I'm putting on my bald cap. Cutting the ear tabs, roll it around my ears, and then I go in with my ebon spray and just spray the ear parts first and really get those down. And I'll go through with like my rat tail comb to like make sure it's like staying down and trace it with the blow dryer. And then I'm cutting off that excess lace, making sure to cover my hair, and then cutting off all the parts that are like skin, you know. Then I go in with my foundation over the cap, tie the rest of my wig cap away, and then I'm using gloves because I'm about to apply the glue. I did about 3 layers, and now I'm putting on my wig, and I did not let the glue dry clear, but it was taking too long to dry, so I just went ahead and put the wig right on top of it. Not the best thing to do, but I know I wasn't going to be wearing this install for long, so that's why I did it like that anyway. But yeah, I've been doing this thing where I like tuck my skin back, like I tug my skin back, and then I place the wig to give myself a facelift, and it really, you know, does the job. And then I just go in and melt the lace into the glue with the melt band that came in the box, and I'm going in with some foundation over that lace just to like try to get it more seamless, because I definitely made a mistake with the whole glue situation. But now I'm just cutting off the excess lace with my razor and my scissors to like clean up. And going in again with that melt band to melt again. And I have some curls that are, you know, like becoming like jagged because of all the hair that I was pulling out, so I'm just fixing those up. And I'm taking off my melt band, and it's definitely giving. You can't even really see the mistakes, like the lace is melted. So I'm gonna go in and start pulling out my baby hairs, and it was giving, y'all. Like, this wig is giving. But anyway, curling up my baby hairs and then cutting them with the razor, of course. And then I'm gonna go in with my ebon edge control and just lay my baby hairs as I desire. I don't really be knowing what to say in this part, but what I really do is just like I keep the gel only on the roots. I don't put any gel on the ends of the hair because I want that like wispy look. So that's like my little thing that I do. But yeah, I got my makeup on now, and I'm taking down my curls, y'all. The makeup is giving, okay? But now I'm brushing out those curls to really see, like, you know, the final look. The curls are eating. You guys, look how the hair is like holding this curl. And usually when I use my T3, like I be feeling like the curls don't be like juicy, but these curls are so juicy. And I did add a little bit of layers to the curls. But y'all, look how bouncy and juicy and beautiful and big these curls are, like, and the hair is just so beautiful. And this is like no product. Like, I think only thing I used was like my what's this thing called? Is it Chi? I don't know what it's called, but it's like this. Oh, this, I think it's called like Silk Therapy. I used that when I was curling the hair, but like, look how beautiful and bouncy and curly. Like, it's really giving, okay? Wiggins, y'all are definitely doing it for me. And the lace is just so good as well. Again, I did make some mistakes, but girl, look at that. It's just beautiful hair. Like, you just can't deny it. And the way the curls are holding up, it's really a testament to how good this hair is. I really enjoyed this style. Like I said, I didn't keep it for very long, but I did go to Austin with my friends just like 2 days after I did this install. So I did this like crimp look, which was eating. okay? She was giving the girls crimps in Austin, and so I did this cute like crimp style. And this is me the day before I went to Austin, adding these crimps to the hair. And if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do this, check out this video. But yeah, the moment I got this hair, I knew the crimps was what I really wanted to do. I knew the crimps were gonna eat. But now I'm installing it. And this is me like the next day in Austin, taking off my bonnet and like seeing the hair for the first time. All I did was like brush through it with a wide tooth comb from what you guys saw earlier when it was all crunchy. I just brushed it with a wide tooth comb, and this is how it looks after brushing it. As you guys can see, she is giving the girls, okay? The crimps were eating as I knew they would. And this hair is just so full and so long and so beautiful and just perfect, guys. Like, I would highly recommend if you are looking for some bomb body wave hair, check them out, guys. Thank you for watching.